Hey there, I'm Chef John. Welcome back to the Karma Cooking channel. We're going to be making snickerdoodle hummus today. Today we're going to be making snickerdoodle hummus. Snickerdoodle hummus is a twist on regular hummus that's packed with protein and goes good with vegetables and fruit. So we're going to start off with our mise en place. So mise en place means everything in this place. That's one of the key factors that we use in the kitchen. And things just flow better when we have our mise en place ready. So this is our mise en place. So we have a cup of chickpeas. We have a quarter cup of wild butter. Wild butter is a peanut butter alternate. We have maple syrup. This is a quarter cup. We have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And we have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Our water here is just in case we have to smooth our hummus out. So we're going to put everything in the blender and then we're going to boil it up and see how it looks. So we're going to start putting our ingredients in our blender. So pro tip, if our peanut butter and maple syrup is warm, it'll be able to flow outside of whatever you have in there better. So we're going to put all of our ingredients except the chickpeas in. We got our lid on, we have all of our ingredients except the chickpeas in, and we're going to blend. So this is the right consistency that we need to add our chickpeas in. So we're going to add them in. We're going to put our top back on. And we're going to blend again. So if we need to, we take our rubber spatula and we push all our ingredients down. And this is where we add our water if we need to. We can add anything to thin this out if we want. We can add a little bit more maple syrup if you wanted your hummus sweeter. We can add some apple juice. Anything that we want to add to dilute this, we can. We just want a smooth consistency. So I'm going to add my water. Put my top back on and blend. So this is our finished product of the snickerdoodle hummus. It came together really good. We can eat this snack in various ways. We can eat them with crackers, fruit, vegetables. The sky is the limit on how you eat this. I like that it actually came together really fast. So it's fun for the youth and it's easy for them to make. Should I do that again? Yeah.
Shake it out.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna use that.
Yeah.